Welcome to Sabbu's kitchen. Many people are moving towards sugarless diet. Today from Sabbu's kitchen, preparing a cupcake without sugar and using healthy ingredients like ragi and dates.
The ingredients are ragi flour 1 cup, dates paste 1 cup, milk half cup, vanilla essence 1 spoon, cocoa powder 2 tablespoons, oil 1/3 cup, baking powder 1 spoon, dried raspberries 1 tablespoon, chopped walnuts 2 tablespoons. In a bowl, add dates paste and milk, mix it well. Now add baking powder, cocoa powder and vanilla essence. Continue mixing. Add oil and mix it well. Add ragi flour, mix it, avoid lumps. Finally add raspberries to the mixture. Pour the mixture into muffin molds. Garnish with chopped walnuts. Bake the muffins in a preheated OTG at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Sugar-free and diabetic-friendly ragi dates muffins are ready.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.